Chiegni kendo nyakor mga jwang chenro en migago wadhi mbele gi weche manyien. Nyithindo ariyo owang ma ok nyale yangi. Masira mar mach e gweng' ma Ombok, Lambwe Central le kar chung od bura ma Suba North e kaunti ma Homa Bay. Mach ma ichich ni obiro kaluwore gi wach ywaruok mar lowo e kind anyuola. Familia no wacho ni gisebedo ka giyudo buok e wi wach mar lobno ma koro nokelo tho mar nyithindo ariyo ma johigni 3 go. Ka gidwa ni obila ma Homa Bay omak jogo ma gichich godo ni noketo majno. Hali abich tire kod siganani.
The house was blazing all over, and the children were nowhere to be seen. I was worried. I cried. I cried. I cried, really, I cried. I heard they are saying that they will burn me to the ground, plus my children, because I'm not belonging to their family.
The family members were saying that he is not a son of this home, that he is a son from Canada. So they wanted him to migrate from this home and go to Canada. So I advised him to go and report the matter to the police. I think when I inquired whether he had gone, he told me he did not report the matter.